Hi, hello. In today's video I will show you how to create and develop RFID applications with my board, which is here, but you can use whatever you want, with compute module and cheap RC522 reader. So first of all we need to create the VNF. Activate it, of course, when it's created. So in my board you just need to connect the RFID by this one. Everything is in the set, so you will get the production ready RFID set. So I'm activating and installing the library. Okay, got it. I need also to enable SPI, Raspberry config, SPI, yes. And I can write a simple script. Oh, I don't have Vim. And just run it. And now when I will approx the card, so I have this, and as you can see the UID is readed, and actually the entire sector 0 is readed as hex. But we can have even faster way to only read UIDs. And this is the result. So as you can see, it's nearly real time. And here I'm just, showing the bump of all the possible modes for reading the RFID. So now a little explanation what is happening here. So as you can see, the entire library is set for this board, so everything here is pre-configured. I'm using this board in my production and my little set of devices, so I know it's production ready. And if you can see here we are authorizing the card and block with the default key. This is default key for Mifara, and we are reading the block 0 from the card. You can write also to the card with the other example. It's also available in the repo. And at the end we have the full UID that you can use, for example, to check if the user have access or not. And yeah, basically check and see how easy it is. And I will provide more examples and more fun stuff with RFID soon. I love RFID, so I will explain it more in future videos. Thank you and have a nice day.